Hey guys, it's Kelsey Toys and Games, and today I'm going to be playing an obby. I quite didn't. I finished. I'm quite almost. As you can see, I'm at 189, the stage 89. I don't have that much time, but I have 15 minutes because I use Screen-O-Matic to record my gameplays now. I only have 15 minutes, so if you're sad that I can't record any longer, I'm sorry, but that's how much I gotta use. I died. So look, whoa, this is like a hard level for me. No, I died. No, I can't. This has to be easy. I can't die right now. Oh, you guys saw that quick save? Well, it's yellow. What? This is impossible. Impossible. If you can't get through it, then how are you gonna get through it? I don't know. I'll just skip stage. I'll just waste my freaking stage money. Because I don't get that. I don't get how you literally can't pass that. So people like literally just quit. Because they can't pass it sometimes. Sometimes I quit and just cool myself down. And rage quit. That's me. It's me. I have 14 minutes, so we'll waste that time right now. If you hear background noises, I'm sorry. Okay. I don't even know if you guys hear me, but I think you guys can. I'm not sure. This is an obby. I was so close to it. This is an obby I usually play a lot because it has 1,000 and it never stops. Come on. Like, how am I losing? These, like, you only have like a bit of space. Yeah. How am I dying? Yeah. New. There we go. I knew I was gonna win. I knew I was gonna beat the level anyway. Like, it wasn't like I didn't know. Okay, so, squiggly lines, I'm gonna kill you. So I might switch to another game since this is my first time recording Roblox. And yeah, I will not be doing a face reveal, which this does have webcam. And that's good because I might use it a lot when I do a face reveal. I can do the webcam. And don't scream at me if I look ugly. Okay, 200. We're on 99, 199. Let's go. Well, I wonder what there is at the last stage. Probably nothing. Probably nothing. Okay, let's concentrate and win because I want to win. Like, who doesn't want to win a easy game? Well, I had to skip a couple of 3 times. In this game, so don't judge me. Some people do, some people don't. Some people waste their skip stages a lot, and I know I'm going pretty fast. Yeah, I'll probably do a part 2 if you guys want me to, because this is a 15-minute long video. Come on, of course. Next stage, I gotta lose. Oh, we keep winning. Whoa, you see that because there's literally no floor, or it's probably just invisible. Probably just invisible. If I can find out. Whoa, this is was easy anyway. So here we go again. Red means don't. Red means killing. I hate killing. I hate killing. Ah! Sorry, you're gonna hear me make some weird noises. Okay, so I have, let's see, probably 10 more minutes. Yeah, 10 more minutes. I have 9 more minutes, so I probably might be stuck on this phone forever now. And I'm gonna have to stick to another game because I rage quit a lot. And I don't want to be embarrassed by rage quitting like hell now. Oh, sorry. My bad. There's somebody else, which probably will on its first try. Oh, is it a it's a he. He accidentally fell. He keeps falling on this part. No! No! Wait, I will be right back, guys. I'm going to probably, so I don't want to waste too much of my time. So I'm wasting time right now. I'm going to pass this level for a minute. So we'll be back. So I'm back, and I found it actually easy. It didn't take that much tries. It took one try, and I did it. For some reason, I made it when I was not recording. Weird. Very. What? I didn't even move. It just took me off. It just like took off by itself. Like, that's impossible. I sometimes get very nervous if I don't pass. This is like an easy one, because you just do this and that. Yes. Ah. No! Hopefully this is recording my voice. If it's not, I literally took this much hard work. Well, I won't call it hard work. I can't edit this, so I only have 15 minutes. So I probably have, like, I don't know. Yeah, I probably will do a part 2 and do a series until we get to 1,000, which hopefully I will, and I won't rage quit like all the time. So let's go. Okay, yes. I'm weird. I'm weirdly awesome. I might change my hair because I don't actually look like what I look like in my avatar. I actually really don't. I really don't. I look uglier. Okay, sorry, you have to hear my ugly voice. Sadly, I probably have 5 more minutes to record it. I will do part 2, I promise. Make sure to subscribe. You have to subscribe to see more. If you don't subscribe, you can't see anymore. You won't see the series, and hopefully you see the series. I don't know why I'm saying this, because I literally have like 6 minutes. I know I said 5, just looking ahead of time. Which I probably shouldn't, because I will get really sad. And I will end this video like at probably 14 minutes or something like that. So I actually don't have to literally like like, what you call it, just to like waste my time like I usually do. My phone, I record with my phone on my videos sometimes, and it literally stops because I don't have memory. And it's horrible because I wasted all my freaking, not that cursing word. I hate cursing words. They're mean to me. I'll be right back, guys. I don't want to waste time. Now I do have 5 minutes. So I'll be right back. And it actually didn't take that long for me to do it. So I literally can't see where I have to. If you guys see red lines, I'm sorry. That's where I'm recording. I don't know if you heard me in the last clip. I don't know if you did. I'll probably put my voice in. Because I think something happened. I went through this. I have 4 minutes. Ah! Hopefully we get to probably 100. Because as you can tell, wait, let me move my bar. I'm on 23. Which 20%, probably 100 is 1,000, so I have homework to do, and I'm not even doing it. I'm not kidding. Literally not kidding. And this is the part where it's very easy for some people because they're smart. And they just walk across it. They don't jump. Because that would take longer, and then you'll rage quit easily, like I did. I didn't know it till I did it. You see, I almost fell. I got, let's see, I don't know how much minutes. 3 more minutes. So I probably will stop at 1 minute. Just because I just can't. I can't lose the thing. Like, I don't know how to pronounce this stuff. I probably need to end the video early because, you know, like memory, it stops by itself and I can't even say goodbye, and it's very sad because I can't do it. Screen-o-matic is very nice, but if you get the free, you might have to record 15 minutes, and I like to record 15 minutes. Because usually I record ahead of time and I record too much. So probably have 2 minutes, so this is the last minute with you guys. Probably might not, probably might stop not too early, not like 14 minutes. I won't do that. That's a little too early. And I said I was going to stop recording at 15 at 4 minutes, 14 minutes. And I will not do that. I will record. I will have to check the time, and I'm not going to go ahead of time because I could actually not say goodbye to you guys. So I keep looking at the time. You guys just can't see. I just don't want to. I'm just going very fast because so I can do more, but talking. Glad these aren't hard, because if it's hard, I rage quit already. So I'm looking at time, and at 14:36, I will end this video because I don't want to make it too long. So I'll keep looking at the time when I die, when I keep dying in the game. I keep looking at time. So make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment. Do not comment any hate things. I don't like that. Let's get 5 likes and I will do the next part 2, or I'll probably just make it because no one actually likes my videos. Nobody. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on next part 2. Bye, guys.